Missing number multiplication quiz for kids. Find the missing number. Two multiplied by 5 is 10. Find the missing number. Three multiplied by 3 is 9. Find the missing number. Five multiplied by 4 is 20. Find the missing number. Ten multiplied by 1 is 10. Find the missing number. Eight multiplied by 8 is 16. Find the missing number. Five multiplied by 5 is 25. Find the missing number. Six multiplied by 4 is 24. Find the missing number. Three multiplied by 10 is 30. Find the missing number. Nine multiplied by 9 is 81. Find the missing number. Two multiplied by 2 is 4. Find the missing number. Four multiplied by 5 is 20. Find the missing number. Seven multiplied by 3 is 21. Find the missing number. Nine multiplied by 6 is 54. Find the missing number. Two multiplied by 4 is 8. Find the missing number. Five multiplied by 7 is 35. Find the missing number. Six multiplied by 8 is 48. Find the missing number. Four multiplied by 4 is 16. Find the missing number. Five multiplied by 7 is 35. Find the missing number. Ten multiplied by 7 is 70. Find the missing number. 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. Find the missing number. Two multiplied by 9 is 18. Find the missing number. Eight multiplied by 7 is 56. Find the missing number. Nine multiplied by 3 is 27. Find the missing number. Two multiplied by 7 is 14. Find the missing number. Four multiplied by 10 is 40. Find the missing number. Six multiplied by 6 is 36. Find the missing number. Two multiplied by 6 is 12. Find the missing number. Four multiplied by 8 is 32. Find the missing number. Five multiplied by 3 is 15. Find the missing number. Three multiplied by 8 is 24. Find the missing number. Seven multiplied by 6 is 42. Find the missing number. Five multiplied by 9 is 45. Find the missing number. Three multiplied by 4 is 12. Find the missing number. Seven multiplied by 4 is 28. Find the missing number. Eight multiplied by 4 is 32. Find the missing number. Six multiplied by 10 is 60. Find the missing number. Nine multiplied by 8 is 72. Find the missing number. Five multiplied by 6 is 30. Find the missing number. Four multiplied by 6 is 24. Find the missing number. 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. Find the missing number. 9 multiplied by 3 is 27.